Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove the bumper from an Audi A4. First, gather your essential tools, including a screwdriver set and a plastic trim removal tool. Ensure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface. Before proceeding, remember to disconnect any electrical connectors for components like fog lights, if your car has them. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe removal process. Next, we'll focus on removing the various fasteners. Begin by locating and removing the screws positioned within the wheel arch liners on both sides. Then, move to the underside of the bumper, where you'll find several clips and bolts that need to be detached. Finally, carefully unscrew any fasteners that secure the bumper to the vehicle's body, particularly around the grille area. Take your time with each one. With all fasteners removed, it's time to gently detach the bumper. Start by carefully pulling the bumper away from the vehicle's sides, ensuring all retaining clips are released without causing any damage. Work your way around the bumper, making sure it's free from all attachment points. Once fully detached, carefully lift it off and place it on a soft, protective surface to prevent scratches or damage. This step requires patience. Before you consider reassembly, always double-check for any overlooked connections or clips that might still be attached. If you're not immediately reinstalling the bumper, store it securely in a safe place to prevent any accidental damage. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to that, along with other great deals, in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.